give us a thumbs up, please subscribe. So we're wondering why I'm doing all the two things. This is the spicy Cheetos and mac and cheese is from this. So guys, let's do a little challenge. If you haven't tried this before, I'm not going to do spoilers, but let's try these. I've tried these before, but I probably wouldn't. Come on, I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah. Alright, so these right here are the Cheetos, right?
Guys, I'm going to do it.
Are they good?
No.
Yeah. And these are the mac and cheese version of those Cheetos, right?
Yeah, look, we're not lying, guys. We're not lying.
Oh, okay.
So look, let's also try these out. You should try them.
Okay, so.
How are these so hot?
We're going to.
See this Flamin' hot sign? But I need to put this first in the cat, so.
Alright.
So look in there. Let's not look in there, guys. There's lots of candy in there.
Alright, so we're going to make the mac and cheese, right?
But we need to see what it looks like first.
Okay.
We're not going to look at the ingredients yet, because Mom will do that. They don't bake yet. Man, I eat it plain. I need a bowl.
Well, we're going to put it in the pot. So here, let's take a look.
Let's take a look. It's clear, guys.
Well, right now it is. We have to put the cheese on it. Alright. Let's start cooking.
This is hold on. Let's do this. We're not going to do that. This is the cheese's pieces.
Alright.
Guys, let's dump it together.
I'm gonna get the hot water.
We don't know what this is. Is this the cheese sauce or the boat?
That's what makes the
Or is it already cheesy?
well, no, don't. Ew, dude, don't.
Okay. You're gross.
Here, alright, dump it in.
I did that.
Carefully.
Hello?
Not yet.
What?
Alright, alright, we gotta let that cook for 7 to 10 minutes and then we gotta do the rest, right?
Bye, Mia. So we're back.
Yep. So we're gonna pour the water out.
Okay, what's
Oh, turn the.
see this strainer?
Hold on, hold
I
on.
might do the little piece I put back in there, but I hope you can that piece. Look at the sauce, guys.
Hold on.
And guys, look at the sauce on top. It looks like it has like Cheeto dust. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Doesn't it look gorgeous, guys? The pretty white noodles that you clean. Oh, that nasty.
Yeah.
Ah! What's happening?
Alright.
Add the sauce.
Alright, William. Carefully tear it open. Hold on, actually here.
Oh, we're gonna need some scissors.
Want some scissors? Here.
Do not put your fingers in.
Hi, Gabe.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you guys. I promise.
Yeah.
Let me smell it first. Okay, so guys, this is the sauce. So it looks like crushed.
Here, wait, hold on. We didn't pour. In case you don't like it, we're gonna get some noodles in a little bowl. Yeah, we're gonna put some noodles in a bowl for you.
How many scoops? I don't know.
Yeah, here, lift it up.
The plain looks so cheesy, actually.
Yeah,
enough?
That's enough for him. Yeah.
Enough? Huh?
That's enough for you in case you don't like it. All right, pour it in there.
We need to show them first.
You want to show them?
Look at that. It's like a dark orange.
Dark orange. Well, let me see.
Very
Let me
nasty.
show 'em. Okay.
Guys, you want to smell it? Smell it.
They can't smell the camera, silly pants.
Ew, look at that.
Now, spicy?
Now, guys, now you can see it closer because you.
All right. Now, have mommy measure out the milk.
Why not reuse? Because reuse is good.
Says a 1/4 cup of milk.
Look at this sauce.
And then, of course, butter.
I'm going to mix the sauce in. Oh, guys, look at it changing color. It's changing color. Is the butter going to make it cheesy?
Butter makes it yummy. There you go.
Look at the butter, guys. It's turning. Smells like spicy Cheetos, guys. No way.
Yummy. All right, keep stirring.
I'm a chef. I need a special one.
Chef William.
I'm going to be a chef when I'm 12.
You're going to be a chef when you're 12?
Yes. I can bake when I'm 12. David can. Guys, look at the water. I'm not serious.
You're not serious.
You're not serious.
He's not serious.
The milk?
Okay. Ah!
The milk?
All right, let's speed this up, okay? Let Daddy help you.
That hurt. Well, I got a bandage because I was playing the snow and I accidentally touched my quarantine. The little stuff, so oh my god, that hurt. And got a bandage because I felt a bump. And baking it because it was so hard. It looks very
Okay.
intelligent, guys.
Intelligent.
Yeah, it just looks. Guys, while I wait, I
Looks
might
very
try
interesting. It smells interesting too.
Guys, look at this plain noodles. Do you dare me to eat it?
All right, we'll be right back
Is yours
when we're
not-
going to have the taste test. We're just going to let this cool off for a minute and continue to stir and make it nice and thick,
Yeah.
and then we'll be right back.
Guys, this doesn't taste that bad actually. We're back. Okay, so guys, this is the plain noodle. I want to eat it first because the spice. I couldn't be in the video a lot because I have like a headache.
All right, well, here's what we're going to do. Get a nice little helping on your fork.
Oh.
Oh, hold on, honey. Can you bring the box, Mommy?
Can you lemon me?
No, I'm getting the drink.
And then
It
we'll...
doesn't even.
Hold on.
Doesn't it smells like Cheetos?
It's-
Cheetos and then.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
It ain't hot.
You want your name?
Do you like it?
It's disgusting, but it's not hot.
It's disgusting, but it's not hot. And then he starts coughing. So, what do you think? Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down? William, what is your vote? Thumbs down. All right, well, we know not to get the Cheetos mac and cheese. Good thing they're not a paid sponsor.
The chips are good.
Do you like the chips, Gabe?
William does.
No, I just get it, but get the plain. I want to.
Okay. All right, so we're going to have our actual dinner now. So what are we going to tell the nice people?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
All right, remember to go on our Instagram and our Facebook and then check us out.
Can they comment?
Well, not on the videos because we're a kids channel, but they can hit us up on Instagram and Facebook if they want.
Yeah. That was
All right.
thumbs down. That's going
All
to
right,
go
so
Rick.
thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.